Welcome to my website, Fishwish. I decided to do one of the funny versions of a nonprofit, and mine is like Make-A-Wish, but instead of for people, it is for fish. So it starts with a big full width image, and then says only dead fish go with the flow. And then I wanted to put my menu down in the middle and got rid of the automatic divvy one, which accidentally also got rid of my logo. And I didn't notice that until after I had submitted it. Then I have the little welcome right here so that you can know right away what exactly Fishwish is about. And then for the middle section, leading up to the call of action, I did the text and then image back and forth for my 3 sections. And then for those sections, I made the background all the same color. And then here's my call to action, is just to get people to sign up to volunteer. And then a little button to help you back at the top if you have any questions before you decide you want to volunteer, and then a fun little footer image before the copyright. The main purpose of my site is to get people to volunteer for the Fish Wish program. So the first thing I did was talk about what Fish Wish is, and then why it's important, why the life of a fish is a hard thing to kind of get you to feel bad and to want to do something about it, which will then take you to this is how you can help and this is how you can make a difference. And being a fish doesn't have to be unfortunate. And then very last, I did a success story of a volunteer coming in and working with the fish and just really enjoying his time with the fish before it died. So that gets all of your emotions and feelings. So when you get down to the call of action, you're ready to volunteer and ready to come in and work with the fish. I know in class there was some confusion in that you already had to have a fish, which is not true. You just need to come in and volunteer with the fish at the Fish Wish Center. So I tried to, when it came to the design, have the things that I wanted to be together be the same color. So the welcome is all alone and like its own little thing, which is why it's white. And then the 3 points to get you ready for the call to action, I did in this yellow so that like your eye, it would make sense that these sections all to go together and this is the order of everything. What I learned the most from doing this is that you can customize everything. That sometimes, when you're working with a WordPress site, it's really easy to get discouraged and think that like the design you want, it's not possible because it's not set up in Divi. But now I know that I can go in and take my own code and change things. Like I was really proud of myself for figuring out how to move the menu bar down here and hiding this one. And I really learned how to use like that Divi site we learned when we were doing the assignments that have all the videos of how to do things. The hardest for me, as you can probably tell, is I could never get rid of this Divi blue. I even looked for the video and just, due to some poor time management on my part, did not find it in time. I think the hardest thing for me is I thought that I had found the coding for this, and I think I did. I found the right tag and class ID and everything, but I didn't find the right coding to override what was automatically set up. So just figuring that out was the hardest for me. But overall, I really enjoyed this assignment and will take these skills to my next classes, especially as I get ready to do my senior project.